Namaskaram, ഞാൻ Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikutilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you learn Malayalam, you've come to the right channel. Today we are going to start with lesson 9 in our beginner learner series. So if you haven't caught the first 8 videos, do check out my beginners playlist and we'll be waiting right here for you when you're ready. So let's get going. Today we're going to talk about expressing hunger, likes, wants and needs, and we're also going to start talking about the topic of food and drink. But of course, before we do that, let's review. Here is a conversation in English. Do your best to translate it into Malayalam. Make sure that the numbers are written in Malayalam. Don't just copy the numbers. Think about what the numbers are in Malayalam. When you're ready, hit play and we'll go over the answers together. All right, here we go. ഇത് എൻ്റെ ചേട്ടനാണ്. ചേട്ടൻ്റെ പേര് ജെയ്സൺ ആണ്. കണ്ടത്ത് സന്തോഷം. ഞാൻ ലൈസ. കണ്ടത്ത് സന്തോഷം. Or you can say എനിക്ക്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര വയസ്സുണ്ട്? എനിക്ക് 30 വയസ്സുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര വയസ്സായി? എനിക്ക് 26 വയസ്സുണ്ട്. All right, so let's jump into today's topic. This first conversation. അമ്മേ, എനിക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. ശരി, മീനും ചോറും വേണോ? വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് മീൻ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല. ശരി, ഇറച്ചി ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? അതെ, ഒത്തിരി ഇഷ്ടം. So the girl is asking her mother for food. She's saying, എനിക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. I'm hungry. ശരി, മീനും ചോറും വേണോ? So do you want fish and rice? വേണ്ട, I don't want. എനിക്ക് മീൻ ഇഷ്ടം അല്ല. Okay, so we know alla means don't or not. So what do you think it is? She doesn't like fish. ശരി, ഇറച്ചി ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? So do you like meat? അതെ, ഒത്തിരി ഇഷ്ടം. ഒത്തിരി means a lot. Let's look at the next conversation. അർജുൻ, പഴങ്ങൾ ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? അതെ, പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പോൾ വിശക്കുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ശരി, പിന്നെ കഴിക്കാം. So Arjun, പഴങ്ങൾ is fruits. പഴങ്ങൾ ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? Do you like fruits? അതെ, I like fruits, പക്ഷേ but ഇപ്പോൾ വിശക്കുന്നില്ല. I'm not hungry. അപ്പോൾ ശരി, okay then, പിന്നെ later കഴിക്കാം. We shall eat. ഇലൈസ, വിശക്കുന്നോ? ഇല്ല, പക്ഷേ കാപ്പി വേണം. പാൽ വേണോ? വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് പാൽ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല. So വിശക്കുന്നോ is asking, are you hungry? ഇല്ല, I'm not. പക്ഷേ കാപ്പി വേണം. I want coffee. And what's something that we often take with coffee? Milk. പാൽ വേണോ? Do you want milk? വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് പാൽ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല. No need, don't want. All right, so when we express hunger, we can use the verb വിശക്കുന്നു. വിശക്കുന്നു. Make sure you use the dative case. എനിക്ക്, നിനക്ക്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക്, അർജുന്, എലൈസയ്ക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. Not hungry? വിശക്കുന്നില്ല. And are you hungry? വിശക്കുന്നോ. വിശക്കുന്നോ. Here's some food vocabulary. These are some common foods and beverages that you may like or dislike. So for milk, we have paal. For coffee, kapi. Tea, chaya. Water, velam, with the retroflex ra, velam. Irakchi, for meat. Cooked rice is chore. You might hear the word ari. Ari is for the raw rice. Chore is cooked rice. Chore can also mean meals. So if someone asks you, chore kaicho, it literally means, did you eat rice? But they're asking, have you eaten in general? Have you had a meal? Then for vegetables, one vegetable is pachakari. Vegetables is pachakarigal. Pachakarigal. Garlic, velutuli. Velutuli. And onion is just uli. Also, some places in Kerala call it savala. And it also depends on the size. Some people call bigger onions savala, and some refer to the smaller ones as uli, and some of them use uli for all onions, so it's a regional thing. And you'll find with a lot of fruits and vegetables, there are a lot of regional differences, but we'll get into that in another video. Tomato, takali. Takalli, again with the retroflex la, and fish is mean. Mean. Now, if you like something, you have the dative case again, and the object, and then ishtamarne for I like. Enikku ishtamarne. Or ishtamalla, don't like it. Ishtamarno, do you like it? Similarly, with I want or I need, you would use the dative case enikku vernam for want or need. In Malayalam, vernam can be used in both the situations of wanting and needing. There's a separate verb, agrihikina, which means to desire. Don't worry about that right now. It's not used in the same context as we would for this, want and need. So for wanting and needing something, enikku vernam, don't want, don't need, vernda. Do you want, verno. And again, make sure it's a long a and a retroflex na. This is very important. Now, let's focus on the pronunciation between the short e and the long a. So here we have Eli and Eli. A lot of people think I'm Eli Kuti because Eli is a popular name in Kerala. But actually I'm Eli, and that means mouse or rat. So that's the whole point. It's a bit of a joke name. So Eli is the short e and Eli is the long a. Look at the difference in these examples. Ve, che, me. Again, ve, che, me. So now you're going to listen to these pairs of words and select the word you hear. I'll repeat it twice. Number 1, Kerala. Number 2, Elikutti. Number 3, Penna. Number 4, Verno. Number 5, Narle. All right, how did you do? I'll read these words out to you so you can hear both of them side by side. Number 1, Keralam. So this is the name for Kerala in Malayalam, Keralam. Number 2, Elikutti. Elikutti is me. Elikutti is somebody's auntie in Kerala, probably with this name. Number 3, Penna. Penna, remember, is for pen. Number 4, Verno. So in order to say do you want, you have to have that long eh. Number 5, Nale. Okay, so Nale is tomorrow. All right, so let's finish this out with a practice. Here is a short conversation in English. You can go back and check your notes. You can go back and check the slides. When you're ready, hit play, and we'll go over the conversation together. All right, എനിക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. എന്ത് വേണം? എനിക്ക് ചോറും പച്ചക്കറികളും വേണം. Now, I know we haven't gone over how to say and, but you'll notice that we use at the end of each word here, like we saw earlier. Meenum chorum pachakarigalum vernam. Ninakku meen vernam. Vrenda. Inakku meen ishtamalla. Right. So that wraps up our lesson for today. In the comments below, tell me, what food do you like? What food do you not like? What drinks do you like? What drinks do you not like? I want to know your preferences. And as always, you can join us over at the Discord server. We have over 2,000 members of learners and helpers alike with free classes every Monday evening at 7 and 8 p.m. IST. Hope to see you in the next one. Apoelam parnada pole.